Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, almost 2 weeks after the appointment of a new chair of the Jamaica Police Federation, the former chairman, Corporal Rohan James, has broken his silence. Corporal James believes he has been victimized in the move by the Central Executive Committee to replace him as head of the organization. Inspector Blanche Codner was appointed the new chairperson on March 19.
In a letter to rank-and-file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, today, Corporal Rohan James said he could no longer stay quiet on the recent developments in the Federation, specifically the decision to replace him as chairman. In venting his frustration with the Executive Committee, Corporal James said he has never used his position in the Federation for personal gain. He said the current Central Executive Committee has betrayed and sacrificed yours truly as a result of my uncompromising stance regarding the rank-and-file members' well-being. Corporal James claims the decision to replace him came about because of the contempt proceedings that he filed in the Supreme Court on January 17, 2024 about what he calls the failure of the authorized persons to implement orders of the court for an overtime system. He further indicated that the matter was placed in the court with the knowledge and consent of the full Central Executive Committee. However, Corporal James is now stating that the Central Executive Committee has placed the matter on hold to ensure that he is removed from the committee and the case withdrawn from the court. As a result, he has promised the rank-and-file members that he will take all appropriate steps to safeguard the process and file appropriate actions where necessary. Stressing his disappointment with how the matter was handled, he also pledged to provide more updates to rank-and-file members. Inspector Blanche Codner replaced Corporal James as the new chairman of the Federation on March 19. A new General Secretary was also selected. Now, Corporal James remains off the job as he awaits the outcome of the appeal of the stay of interdiction that was granted to him by the Supreme Court Judge Tara Carr. In 2023, the former Federation chairman was interdicted after he criticized the police high command for failing to pay overtime money due to members of the force.